Welcome back to TechGetter Official. Today we will learn how to filter and sort data in Excel. You can sort your data by numbers, or alphabetically A to Z or Z to A. To sort the data, first click on the Sort and Filter option on the top ribbon. Here, you'll see options like Sort A to Z, Sort Z to A, and Custom Sort. When we click on Custom Sort, first we select the column we want to sort. Then we choose to sort by cell values, cell color, or font color. Next, select the color you want to sort by, and choose whether to place it on top or on bottom. Once everything is selected, click OK to apply or cancel if you want to exit. When we click again on the Sort and Filter option, we can also see the Filter option. Once the filter is applied, filter icons appear at the top of each column. The shortcut to apply filter quickly is Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Click on any filter icon, all filter options will directly open. Now, when we uncheck any checkbox and click OK, the related cells are temporarily hidden. You can also sort by color. Go to Custom Sort, select the column, then choose between cell color, font color, or cell values. If you select cell color, pick your desired color. If you choose cell values, then select the order like A to Z or Z to A. Click OK to apply the sort. When you check the checkboxes again, the hidden cells will reappear. They are now unhidden. Next, we'll see how to sort data in alphabetical or numerical order. Start with the Student ID column. Select the column, then choose Sort A to Z or Z to A, depending on how you want the IDs arranged. This will organize the data based on the student ID numbers or codes in ascending or descending order. Now move to the Name column. Click on Sort A to Z to arrange the names in alphabetical order. You can also choose Sort Z to A for reverse sorting. If the cells are color-coded, you can even apply Sort by color here. When we select the Age column, we get the option to sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Choose smallest to largest, and the age values will be sorted in ascending order automatically. You can also do the reverse, largest to smallest, depending on your needs. We can also sort by color here. When we select the Program column and choose Sort A to Z, it will organize all entries in alphabetical order. And when we sort Z to A, it will arrange in this order. When we click on the Filter option again, all filters and sorting applied to the sheet will be removed. This resets the sheet to its original format. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.